The Gaahleri Airbrush Kit GA-1001L is a well-designed tool that excels with its dual-drive airbrush and dual air outlet system, providing a versatile and stable airflow for various applications. With a powerful 1/5 horsepower compressor, this kit offers individual air pressure control and simultaneous operation, boasting a maximum working air pressure of 57 psi. Its innovative design not only enhances visual appeal but also reduces noise significantly, operating at a quiet level below 44 decibels even at full power. An integrated 1-liter air tank ensures consistent airflow, allowing for smooth operations without the need for additional purchases. The kit includes essential components such as a compressor, hoses, water filters, and an English manual, and is supported by a 1-year guarantee with round-the-clock customer service. The Gaahleri Airbrush Kit GA-1001L stands out in the market with its comprehensive features and user-friendly design, making it a great choice for artists of all levels.